Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a gourmet coffee style picture. It's super easy and completely free and only takes a few steps. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just head over to the Play Store and then just download it and then just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface also has a free plan that gives you weekly credits and a limited number of daily images or video generations. So you can try this out without spending a cent. And when you log in, you will land on the homepage like this. And then just tap on AI filter, and inside the filters just scroll down to the super filter sections, this one, and then just search for gourmet coffee, this one, just tap on it, and then just pick the photo that you want to transform. And once you're done, just tap on animate. And okay, like this, Dreamface just already transform your photo into a gourmet coffee like this. The result is quite good even though the image is not symmetrically centered, but overall the pictures is really good. It has a facial feature as the original. And okay, maybe that's it. In just a few steps you have just turned your photo into a cozy gourmet coffee masterpiece. And okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.